Ava's turn.
Ava's turn.
Open it.
Okay. Again, my face. Huh? Mikey! Oh, damn it! Not that word.
Bad word.
Bad word. Bad word. That's not. Huh? That's a color word. Comes out a color word.
He's possessed.
Can I see your egg? Let me see your egg. Are you all done? Let me see. Hold it up.
Okay, it doesn't color on me. Yeah.
You got it?
I want it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, don't wipe. Don't.
All done? What's the matter?
Where is it?
He's got it.
You got
He
it.
knocked down the stickers.
Here.
All done? What's the matter?
Your brother's got to use something.
You got to share the markers. Put them in the middle.
Can you get it open?
What do you say? Thank you.
Yeah, you can.